Okay, this is just a quick tip for some of the vehicle that has a power sliding door or van, SUV, whatever. Uh, if you have a power sliding door or a power uh, trunk opener, um, there's a button here, right? Let's open the trunk. Let's say the trunk for this vehicle, right? So you press the button, you see trunk's open by itself, right? And then now you close it. Another press, close. So now, if you have a problem that this buttons here or even your remote doesn't work, your sliding door doesn't work, your trunk doesn't work, it's because there's actually the button here on your steering wheel, left side, right? Here's your door, right? The bottom, there's a switch. I'm not sure if you can see it, but it's a little bit dark. See that? Power door off. If that thing is off, right? Let's say turn it off. Your power sliding door, your trunk opener, it will not work. That's the reason it doesn't work. So make sure you turn this on, right? So you can see it's just on the bottom. The problem is this button is just under your knees, right? Here's my knees here, and you could easily bump that button and turn it off without you knowing. Believe it or not, a lot of people don't know about this button here, and they wonder why their sliding door trunk doesn't work. So yeah, there you go. If those sliding door and trunk doesn't work, look for the button. Some of this button, I believe it's on the glove box, right? So you gotta have to look for your specific vehicle if it doesn't work on yours. All right, hope this helped. Thank you for watching.